Most people get this wrong. They think all freelancer platforms are the same, but the surprising truth is that Juno focuses on high quality, vetted freelancers and premium clients. Here's what I experienced using it. Juno allows freelancers to create detailed profiles showcasing skills, portfolios, and rates. You won't believe what happens next. Once approved, you gain access to curated projects from reputable clients, often with clear budgets and deadlines. This makes it easier to find high-quality work without endless bidding wars. The platform is user-friendly. Posting your availability and applying for projects is straightforward. Juno also handles contracts, invoicing, and payment securely, reducing administrative overhead. During my experience, payments were timely, and support was responsive whenever I had questions. One downside is that Juno is selective. Freelancers must meet certain experience and skill criteria, which means beginners might struggle to get approved. Additionally, service fees are slightly higher than other marketplaces, but this is offset by premium clients and better project quality. In conclusion, Juno is ideal for experienced freelancers looking for high-value projects and reliable clients. If you want to focus on meaningful work rather than endless low-paying gigs, it's worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest freelancer platform reviews to help you find the right opportunities.